Okay, so this is the point of no return. Once I get up here, there used to be a stop sign here. I live right here, so I'm gonna stop. Stop sign's down there. Power lines are snapped in half. There's one hanging there. But it wasn't even that, well, how do I say that? It wasn't even that. Yesterday when I was at my house, it was super intense, but right here it was, you would be imagined, it would be hard to imagine. It was super intense at our house, and right here it was a little bit calmer. But last night, when that eye wall, that western side of that eye wall came through at 2 in the morning, it was absolutely intense, no matter where you were. It was crazy, but nonetheless, whatever I see when I make this right turn, I will never forget. I know that much. And it's still ripping right here. What I may do is leave the car and walk in. Oh wow. So I'm gonna leave the car here and walk in. And my house is over there. So I got a clear run actually. So it's standing. It doesn't look like this. It should be high tide here in about an hour or two. So it doesn't look like the storm surge, because of the movement of the storm, was a huge issue. Our trash can's over, so we'll have to clean that stuff up, obviously. Oh man, here we go. Does anyone think this is funny out there? Obviously, I'm not talking to 95% of you, but if anybody wants to make jokes, then I'm sure people in comments will let you have it. I would hope so. Well, not really. Be positive, you know? Trying to stay positive, really trying to stay positive. I don't know if I'll be able to comment a lot today, because I will be cleaning and then helping anybody I can find to help with a smile. And I know they'll be doing the same for everybody else. Life is tough, especially this year. So we're gonna help each other make it better. That computer modem, I showed it yesterday, is hanging. Debris in the yard. There's Carla. Watch for any flying debris. The wind's not that bad right now, so I mean it would still blow some. Oh my god. Oh my god, it went in my house. Oh my god. Oh my god, my air conditioning unit fell off. Oh my god. Dear God, help. Right now is when I need a prayer. Oh my. We won't be living here for a while. 4 kids and Carla and I we'll be living elsewhere for a while. Hopefully my mother is okay in Baldwin County. She's 72. Hopefully my father at 82 and in Mobile, Alabama is okay. My mother's in Bay Minette. But I'll be positive. We'll be homeless for a little while. I mean, we'll have a place to stay. Oh my God, windows broke. Carla, window broke. AC's out. Absolute catastrophic. I mean, God willing, we'll get through this quickly. Oh my. Be positive, be positive. We will be positive. No matter what, we'll be positive. We have a wonderful church here, multiple wonderful churches. Oh my. Now I have to go see inside. Oh. Wind is blowing out of the north now. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Look up.
What? Oh my. I hope not that this matters anything, but half of my business is tennis stringing. It's my little shop. I hope it doesn't rust out. Oh my. Oh, gee whiz.
Look, the whole house is destroyed.
Roof damage all the way across. I'm even sketched out to go upstairs. Guys, I'm gonna put a donation button in the link if I can't get it there. Oh my, the room is soaked. We have a PayPal link and it's 5K tennis. Whatever you can do might help. You know, I know a lot of people are like, why would you build a home on the water? We rent this place. This isn't our home. We rent. Everything's done. We rent. So don't think that what you see is some primrose path, guys. 5 children and we rent and we struggle for everything, just like all of us do. We got to get out of here. Complete devastation here, guys. I love you a lot. If you want to donate, you know, it would help. We're going to more than likely need a place to stay. And believe me, I know you see this and all your comments, why would you build? But we don't. We live here to coach tennis on this wonderful island. And we definitely don't want to leave it. So we used to have 2 children that shared a room here. Now the oldest one's at the Air Force Academy. Our 2 girls share a room here. And our littlest son sleeps with us in our bedroom. And he's 4. Guys, I'm going to go. But I will stay positive. We will figure this out. And we will survive. And we'll be positive people. No matter what. We'll be positive no matter what. Thank you very much for the support. I'll be positive. I'll be strong. I'll give myself a let's go, Justin. Let's go. And we're going to get knee deep in it, and we're going to get through this. And that's it. That's it. We're going to be positive, and much love. And the battle starts now, and positive energy will win. Much love to all. Thank you, Dauphin Island, for everything. Everyone out there for support. And we're going to help each other get through this. All right? Thank you so much again, and much love, and be blessed, everyone. Be blessed. My favorite quote is, be kind because everybody's fighting a tough battle. I could be really upset right now, but it's not gonna get me anywhere, right? So thanks a lot, everyone. Take care. And the battle starts now. Take care. Much love. So still on that same road, just inching along, and here's a power line down. We may not have power here for quite some time. So this is the street. I'm still on the same road. This is going the other way. So the storm surge hit here, this side of the island, in my life. And I'm sure a lot of you islanders out there that have been here much longer than I have, but I've been in this area for 32 years, and I don't think I've ever seen this side flood. Truly, truly humbling. We just talked to a young lady in the street, and we share the same thoughts. We're going to be positive. Hey, why be negative, right? We're going to put a smile on our faces one way or the other. We're going to find a way, and we're going to get through it. This is the main road that runs east to west on Dauphin Island. I'm going very slow. It's passable, but I don't want to go fast, so I can keep my eyes out for any wood that might be in the road. All right, so we're trying to get out. I'm driving very slow. I am driving. Don't recommend anyone driving with a cell phone in their hand. But literally, I'm going to go 2 miles an hour. Carla's having to clear out a path. She's done really well. She's been a soldier. She has worked really, really hard with all the children during all this. But this is just, again, the house, the neighborhood that we stayed in. And now it's just a matter of what does our house look like. I don't think Carla and I can really even think too clearly. I just know the support out there has been incredible, and we just kind of wanted to show you how this ended before we get into cleanup. Again, much love to everyone on this island. We all need to help each other, help one another, and we shall do it. Oh, I hope that we have a sleepable home. I just hope we have a sleepable home. It's so bewildering to me how people can watch my videos, or our videos. You all helped me with those videos, supported me to keep the energy through them. I can't go that way. There's a tree in the middle of the road, so I'll have to go right. But it's bewildering to me how people can say, you know, you're dumb to live on the water. You're you know, and hope you get blown away type stuff. There are people that have spent their lives taking care of their home, taking care of their island, taking care of their children, and we live here. We're from here. It's part of life in a way. You can't force people from their homes with a few letters on a screen. I can only say that if it's in your nature to laugh and make jokes about someone that, or some people that have lost potentially everything, I can only assure you that life will hurt you. We could be really upset right now, but we're going to be positive no matter what we see, and we're going to be respectful, and we're going to smile, and we're going to work through this. I'm going to venture out onto this highway, and right before we get to our house, I'll let the rolling begin. Wish us luck. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do, of course, this video today. It's going to be a positive day no matter what. Again, being positive is everything. It's going to be a sobering day, I think, and it's going to be a humbling day. So this is the house we stayed at last night. Obviously, when we went into darkness last night, this had a roof on it. The fence was up. The fence was up here. All of this was very well done. This is our friend's house. Thank you very much, Barbara Wharton and Bear Wharton. We will definitely help you clean this up. So I did look at the radar. I'll put a radar clip at 2 in the morning to start this or to end it. So if this ends up in kind of diversified pieces in no particular order, it's just that I'm going to have to soak this all in. So I'm going to take a quick walk around their yard because I'm sure they want to see their home. This is in a safe part of the island, the middle of the island, some of the highest parts of the island, protected on, as the crow flies, to my south by a lot of dunes. So I'm going to be really careful here because these pieces, you know, the eye is gone. I looked at the radar and we're in a pretty clear period, but I do not want to get near that stuff. That will lead to serious injury. But I just want to make sure that Barbara and Bear get to see their home, and we will help you guys clean this up. You can count on it. They keep a really, really nice place. Everything's so beautiful, so well done, well built, well constructed. I know their home is safe, and that's the most important part. This tree got taken out. Now my car broke down last night. My car broke down last night coming here, broke down into the driveway, and there it is right there. I don't know if I can even get through there. I don't want to step on a nail. I have sandals on. My shoes got soaked. This fence is gone. You can hear that roof just banging around. So I'm being really careful to get through here. That's where my car broke down. This roof stayed, so that's good. The outside of the house looks good. There's the car that broke down. It won't move. I don't know if I'm gonna have to call a truck or if I can fix it on my own. This is a neighbor's yard. Trees down in the street. I've got to watch out for this pine tree. It looks pretty sturdy, but I don't want this thing coming anywhere near me. I'm going to cut around the backside of it. Definitely don't want to deal with that today. The house is strong, so brick. The house was good. It looks like we got pine trees. It looks like we've got pine trees down. I need to see if I can get out. They have a car they're letting us use to check on our house, but I definitely don't want to run over a nail. This poor neighbor's house. You okay? I think I can get out there. I'll have to move those branches. Devastation. Pine trees in the middle of the road. I don't want to film anybody that knows that they're not on film. And this is a really wonderful island. Everybody works together. Everybody works together. And I can assure you that we're going to be working together for a while. I don't know if you can see those pine trees down up there. And this is just one spot. I'm gonna get my shoes, put some socks on, get a helmet just in case. And my wife and I are going to very slowly and humbly and soberingly drive to our house. Hopefully there's something there. Here's the picture of our family. Myself on the left, Jonathan, our oldest one, at the Air Force Academy. Next, we have Justin Jr. down low, Gabriella in the middle, and Liliana up high. Of course, there's Carla, and there's Chris. Guys, it is about 2:50 in the morning. And I don't know if you can hear me, but it's really bad outside. I can't put my front-facing camera back this way because there's no power. But I just fell asleep at like 1 finally for the first couple of hours of sleep in 3 days. So we're safe. We're at higher ground, and we're in the middle of Dauphin Island. So we're not on the coast. We're right in the middle of the island. I don't think we're in any danger here of any type of flooding. I don't think so. But it definitely sounds like a freight train. Constant, just boom, just a constant roar. Definitely have the sound of some metallic bang, bang, bang in the background. So something's really loose out in the distance. I don't know if you can hear it. By looking at this radar, you can see that we are just on the northwestern side of this eye wall. And this storm, you know, it has been relentless. It has not stopped since, wow, I mean, it has been intense since yesterday morning. I don't know what our house is going to look like in the morning. I have no idea if it will be there. It was really bad damage when I did the last video yesterday. And it wasn't near this bad. It wasn't near this bad where we were when we left and the house was already coming apart. It is way worse right now. It's way worse. We were all falling asleep, and it wasn't. It's definitely bad out. I hope everybody's safe. You know, it was really heartbreaking last night, reading some of the things that some people say. You know, like, here we are, you know, or doing our best in our homes to protect our property and the home that we raised our 5 children in, and you know, some people just laugh it off. You know, it's heartbreaking, you know, but we'll stay positive. We always will stay positive. We'll be a happy family, and we'll do what we do, and we hope that everyone is safe. But it's amazing to me some of the things that goes on in this world that we live in. You know, the ability to stay positive is everything. No matter what, we have to stay positive. I can't even see out the door. All I can hear is what sounds like a freight train constantly. And we're definitely kind of on edge at this point, to say the least, but we're definitely positive. So it's humbling in a way sometimes to read the support, but at the same time it's quite, I don't know how to put it into words, but you're watching your lives, what you built, come apart, and some people just laugh it off. So it's really interesting, but we'll definitely stay positive here. We will definitely stay positive. In the morning when the sun comes up, I don't know when we'll be able to look at the house. I don't know how the storm surges are going to get, but we'll definitely do some soul searching as we make the drive back to our property, whenever that will be. And I don't know what we'll see, but we'll stay positive no matter what. And thanks everybody out there that has been supportive. You know, as a father with 5 kids, and you have, you know, your whole home that you have all your stuff in, and you have nothing but a bag with you. I mean, I don't even know how to put it into words, but sometimes read some of the harsh things that people will say simply because I guess they have nothing better to do. It's heartbreaking, but nonetheless, positive energy will survive, and everything will be okay no matter what. Family, friends, support is key, and that's what has kept me going. You know, my kids are oblivious to staying afloat in the life that we live. Of course, that we're not. So thank you so much for the support out there. And that's all I can say. I'm just full of ums right now because I can't really even think straight. And again, it's just, it comes in waves. It kind of just blows in. And I'm probably, I don't know, a mile from the water, I guess. So I don't know if you can hear it. And I'll leave it there for now. But remember, positive energy is always the best. And we'll definitely stay positive. And what I'm going to do is I'll cut this clip off here in just about 30 more seconds. I'll let you kind of listen. And I'll kind of merge it with what we drive home to whenever we're able to drive home. But the core is coming close. It doesn't even look like it's on shore yet. So this is going to be an interesting next couple of hours. But we're here, and thanks for your support.